Good morning and welcome to Equipment Marketing. Today we're taking a look at a 2012 utility 48 by 102 aluminum with wood deck. Beautiful aluminum headache rack. Folks, this is a beautiful 2012. The underside of this is so clean. It's been turbo blasted, primed, and repainted. As you can see, these beams look like they're brand new. Excellent condition on the kingpin plate. We climb up underneath and you can see the joist condition are super clean. This unit has a brand new buyer's toolbox. As we come down here, it has brand new rubber, steel refurbed outer rim, brand new brakes and drums on this unit, air ride suspension. As we come to the rear here, you can see the universal mounting kit. We'll carry a Moffett and a Princeton. Many other brands, just let us know what you have. Or take a look at 99lifts.com. You can take a look at the units we have available for sale. Lots of Moffetts, lots of Princetons coming through our system. All of our units get brand new straps on them. This is a beautiful 2012. This is Equipment Remarketing. You can take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. Trucks, trailers, forklifts, piggybacks available for sale. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. Thank you for your time.